Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to loop a presentation in Canva so it plays continuously without stopping. This is perfect for events, displays, or any situation where the presentation needs to run on its own. On your Canva dashboard, to make a presentation loop, all we need to do is click the Share button in the upper right corner. From here, we just click Download. We need to select MP4 video as the file type so it can be played as a loop. Next, we will choose to download it for free with a watermark, since we do not have a pro plan. Once we click Download, we just wait for it to finish. The time it takes will depend on the size of the presentation. When the download is done, we simply go to the folder where the video was saved. Now we will open the video using a media player. To loop the presentation, all we need to do is click the Repeat button. We turn the repeat function on so the video will keep playing on loop until we stop it. And that is how we loop a presentation in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now the slides will play on repeat without any interruptions.